Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Aussie yen. So what I have here is Aussie yen on a 4 hour, very nice configuration. Price is making lower highs and lower lows. So what we can expect price to do right now is to make a lower high, okay, and then finally push down and make a lower low. Now we will never know whether this lower low is 100%, but we can at least have a swing target to this recent low over here. Okay, and we can also draw a trend line, and we can see that price is actually holding quite nicely below this trend line. If we were to take a retracement from the high all the way down to the low and open all Fibonacci ratios, okay, price is actually quite close to the 7860 level, but I'm seeing a graphical overlap here in close, so this might be a nicer level instead. Okay, but not to worry, let's go down to the 1 hour to fine-tune this idea. Right, I'm going to redraw the trend line again. Okay, and I'm going to take a retracement instead from this point all the way down to the low. Reason being, on the 1 hour, this area price is still moving sideways, and this was the area where price started to drop before the breakout. Right, which is why I'm taking the starting point of the retracement here. We see the price is actually quite close to the 7860 level. So this entire area becomes a possible zone for an entry. Right, this entire area becomes a possible zone for an entry. 7860, and very quickly, what we want is to find the stop loss. So stop loss is the level which we know we're wrong. We can just take the last swing high over here, and it's clearly above the descending trend line resistance, so there's a safe stop loss for us. So let me just change the levels. Last but not least, we want to find our intraday target, so we take the retracement from the low to the high, and we see that 23.6, there's a graphical overlap here. This will be the first intraday target. Okay, and then of course we can have another one at a 50%, which is the other graphical overlap. And just nice to see our stop loss falls in line with the negative 2720 level. So I'm just going to put in all the levels. (23.6), 50%, negative 2720. Alright, so these are the levels, and we can actually play the drop down to here. Even for the intraday take profit, very nice risk reward. It can play all the way down to the final swing target, even nicer risk reward. Last but not least, we can take a look at stochastics, and we can see that stochastics is actually approaching resistance, right, where price reacted in the past. Okay, so over here there was a big drop. Over here slightly after that, when price stochastics came back down, there was a big drop, and here as well a slight drop, and we can expect another drop incoming. So thanks everyone for your time tuning in to today's trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.